Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine and doing your revision in a sincere way. Okay. And if you think we are doing good, we are doing something worthy for you, your teachers are doing something worthy for you. Okay. So tell your parents, kindly deposit your fees. Okay, students, your teachers are facing problems right now. So now, so in this video, we will revise chapter 3rd of your supplementary reader book, and the name of the chapter is The Shepherd's Treasure. So, who is shepherd? First of all, we should know about shepherd. So, whenever you used to see some animals grazing in the field, so there is a person with them. So that person is called shepherd. Okay, always with the animals grazing in the field. So जो जो एनिमल्स फील्ड में खेत में जो घास खाते हैं उनके साथ जो पर्सन रहता है उस पर्सन को क्या कहते हैं? शेफर्ड कहते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस स्टोरी tells us about the shepherd's treasure. So that type of person is must be a poor person. So what type of treasure he had? So we will know in the chapter. So in this chapter there was a shepherd, poor shepherd, lived in Iran, somewhere in Iran. So he actually very smart. He was very wise man. He known for his wisdom. Everyone praised him for his wisdom. So one day the king of the particular place wanted to know about his wiseness, and he went there to find out his cleverness. But without showing his identity. He went there in a different look. Okay. So when he met him and he found that he actually was a clever man. He was very wise man. Okay. And the king was impressed, and king made him a governor of some a small district. And after some time, in a very short time, he became famous. He became famous because of his wisdom, because of his cleverness, because of his humanity towards pupils. So he became very famous soon, very soon. Okay, because of that, the governors of other districts were jealous of him because he became famous. So they actually jealous of him, and they complained about some wrong thing, some fake things about shepherd to the king, that they told him that he collected the tax from the people and put it into his iron chest. He always used to put an iron chest on his chest, and he collected taxes from the people, and he put the particular tax into his iron chest. So king was very annoyed after hearing this. King asked him, king called him to his court to prove himself right. And when he went there, he told the king, he proved himself, and he showed his iron chest. So there was no any treasure in it. There was what? There was a old blanket. Nothing was there, nothing gold, silver, any treasure. Only the treasure is of treasure combines only an old blanket. It was his favorite blanket. He actually liked him as a treasure. He always carried him with himself. So that was his treasure. And we can also say that his treasure was his wisdom, his wiseness. So king actually was very angry with the particular other districts governors, and he very much impressed by the shepherds, and he rewarded him in the end of the chapter. Okay, so that was the shepherd's treasure.